There is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. Serious fire on the mountain. We are on our own. Fellow citizens of Nigeria, we are on our own. We are on our own because, let me give you 3 instances why I'm telling you that we are on our own. So let us start putting heads together now and look for how to advise our president, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on the solution. Because obviously, a country starts from a family to a community. Let me give you people a full gist. On Monday, all the Obas, we thought that when their wife go and cry on their neck, they will also cry on governor's neck. Governors also go and give Asiwaju the report that communities are concerned. So let us start looking of how to protect and secure individual communities. The wives of Obas, they called a meeting. They contributed money to rent is the Oriental Hotel. Where did they go to? They even call Ashwebi, everybody should come in white, well dressed with makeup, only for them to get there. Fellow Nigerians, they did not discuss security matter for 2 seconds. I'm talking of just 1 second. All the top women, big women in the society. Thank God I was not around. They sent me to I should come and joke. Do you believe that they were only discussing how their kings are beating their wife? They are beating them to stupor. Oba said they beat wife. So who the SVA is supposed to carry now? Yesterday, Oba still had their own meeting. The meeting scattered. They beat because the fight is how did their wives have the audacity to gather themselves together and do a meeting and be discussing their domestic matters. They did not discuss Nigeria matter. But they said that Council of Obas should meet. We're in serious problem. Now, governors, Southwest governors, and I'm very sure, very sure, Apari governor Governor Dapo, Naim, then wear Kampala, Ashwebi, Ninu Gbogbo Rogbodiyan yi, Dapo, Etumo ti mu Kampala. Sanwo-Olu, Governor Sanwo-Olu, ọkàn ẹ balẹ̀. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, you wear blue filler on top Kampala. Una go discuss security. When bandits are giving us update on TikTok that they are coming, Lagos next, Sanwo-Olu, you still remember where to march. Tell to conscious, tell conscious Kampala to give Sanwo-Olu war. We are in serious problem. Fellow citizens of Nigeria, the only solution now that my head can think and my spirit is leading is to look for how to bring Sunday Igboho back. Sunday Igboho is what we need now. And what be Sunday Igboho? Whatever pardon, whatever lift, let them lift the ban on Sunday Igboho so that they can come and support police officers. Now, Igboho, I said that they should withdraw VIP. Senate, those ones, you see the way they humble, they talk now. They are scared that they will be vulnerable. Who bandits supposed carry if no be una? Who bandits supposed first bond if no be una? If they never carry one of una I no go clear that we are restless and our lives are at risk. So fellow citizens of Nigeria, if not to protest, we are ready. I'm just a stone throw away. Igboho must come back. Because those police officers, one and one go withdraw. And they don't benefit, they don't shock. Now inside AC, then they sleep. Then they use iPhone 14, 15 Pro Max. Then they eat correct food for the VVIP where they work. They know they stay under sun. So those ones, how do you want to now go and put them on the street? They will collect bribe. You have not even started thinking of how to increase the salaries of soldiers and armies and officers. So my father is now saying that they should come and join army. Sheyi, Bewa, oh yeah, lead, others will follow. If Sheyi don't declare, say, you won't go join Nigerian army, I will follow. I will write the list of all the Asiwaju lineage and children that you should also join. Leadership by example. Because as it is, the only solution we have is to bring Sunday Igboho. When they start to put all these OPCs, just like Amotekun, when they start to have them, the Igbo people to have their own, everybody will secure each community. You see the way they attacked them in Shagam when they came. These governors and these obas, they don't have our interests at heart. They don't have, why? Until disappear. All of them are second citizenship. One oba, I'm coming to your case. Are you what badge? Esther, one fiadi ori yin shepe fun yin sa, e ma binu sa, Kabiyesi sa. You beat your wife to the point that your wife has disappeared to France. Your case is on. I will not mention your name now. Your case is on special. A whole king is beating his wife. I have the documents. I have the visuals like this. Useless people in useless crowns. Look at the kind of fathers that we have. Maltreating their wife to the point that their wife have the audacity to gather themselves. Àwọn èèyàn náà báwo lẹ ṣe dìyàwó ọba kéèsì tí yẹn ọ̀tọ̀. Àwọn alátẹnujẹ they must come olórí mi sísí ẹ ti lọ forí kóyà. There is several of una single parents bearing olórí in palaces. Your una case is another one. Let us settle this one first. Sunday Igboho seems like our temporary answer. So we are officially calling on the federal government to lift any ban on Sunday Igboho and let us start thinking of how to secure our communities. Our life is at risk. Sanwo-Olu and others wọ́n ti gagbada lọ. Ẹ kò concern wọn o. Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. The man wey spend all his life say he want become Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. They don't give Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Una Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò that is supposed to be in the battlefield. He dey Canada. Ó ti lọ Canada. Canada. Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò dey Canada. So what is our fate now? What is our fate? They were in Shagam a few days ago. We are in deep problem. We are in deep problem. Una say make them withdraw VIP police. The ones on the street, you know, Gogoro, those ones, they are drunkards. Police officers on the street, they are drunkards. Their salary, they make their salary on the street collecting bribe. Then you now want to go and withdraw the VVIP, the ones who don't belly full. You won't come put them under sun. You see that this equation is no balance. This calculation people are calculating is not balanced. Igboho is the answer.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo kí wa a kú dédé àsìkò yìí o. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọmọ bàbá wa Tinubu, Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed, arábìnrin wa Tóun. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ gbọ́ yẹn o. Wọ́n ní Igboho ṣá is the only solution. Ó ti ń yé wọn bọ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn alálẹ̀ wa tó ń gbẹnu àwọn ènìyàn fọhùn síta. Mo kí gbogbo wa, a kí gbogbo àwọn sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ gbọ́ yẹn. Wọ́n ní Tinubu wọ́n ní olóyè Sunday Igboho is the only solution. Òun nìkan tó wà nílẹ̀. Ariwo tá a ti ń pa tọ́tọ́tọ́tọ́tọ́ látòyè ọjọ́ yìí. Òun náà ló ti ń fojú hàn yẹn o. Òun ló ti ń fojú hàn yẹn. Ó ti ń yé wọn bọ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀. Ó ti ń yé wọn bọ̀. Wọ́n pààyàn lẹ́ni, wọ́n pa kúkúrú lẹ́ni, wọ́n pa gúngùn lọ́la. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò sí solution títí di náà. The only person tó dìde pé òun fẹ́ jà fún wa. Wọ́n tì sẹ́yìn odi. Wọ́n tì sí ẹ̀yìn odi ẹ̀wọ̀n ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Gbogbo wọn dákẹ́. Àwọn ọba wa. Ṣẹ̀rá àwọn ọba wa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ̀nyí. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó bá gba Yorùbá nation tán. No. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣáà ti fi gbogbo ẹ̀ ńlẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sì fi gbogbo ẹ̀ ńlẹ̀. Torí fìlà kò kàn mí tí wọ́n dé. Ẹ wo fídíò tí arábìnrin tó fi hàn wá yẹn. Lẹ́nu gbogbo bí nǹkan ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ inú wọn dùn. Wọ́n ti lọ ń kó àǹkó. Gbogbo wọn dé fìlà. Wọ́n dé fìlà blue. Wọ́n wọ Kampala. Fìlà kò kàn mí òun lẹ́ ń wò tán dé yẹn o. Kò kàn mí òun lóhun tẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Ṣé rò pé bí a máa continue belé ni? Kò possible. Kí ni Igboho ṣe? Question tá à ń béèrè ni. Ẹ wo bí Igboho ṣe lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ọba. Gbogbo bó ṣe lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọba tì náà ká máa rí pé kò tí ì sí solution. Kò tí ì sí ìyàtọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ohun tó wà ńlẹ̀. Tì náà kò sí solution. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó change. Pẹ̀lú ọba tó ní 48 hours. A máa gbúròó. Kí ni Tinubu sọ fún yín? kí ni reply tí Tinubu sọ nígbà tá a kọ lẹ́tà sí abẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ ìgbésẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan ni ìbéèrè tá à ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọba wọ̀nyí rèé ìbéèrè tá à ń béèrè ní ọwọ́ àwọn ọba wa kí ni nǹkan tí Tinubu sọ kí ni nǹkan tó sọ fún yín nígbà tẹ́ ẹ pè é ṣé Tinubu ló wà ṣé òun ló àrẹ́sì Ìgbòho ni kí ló kàn án pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Ìgbòho kí ló kan Tinubu ń bẹ̀ kí ló kan Tinubu kí ni nǹkan tó kan Tinubu kí ni nǹkan tó kan Tinubu tí gbogbo ẹ wò wọ́n òun náà ẹ̀wọ̀n náà lẹ́ ń wò yẹn ṣe rí wọn pẹ̀lú Kampala blue pẹ̀lú Kampala blue báwo lẹ́yìn aṣọ wọn ní àgbà kì í wà lọ́jà kórí ọmọ tuntun orí àwọn eléyìí ti wọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ Fúlàní tó ti ń sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ Fúlàní ẹ wò wọ́n ọkọ̀ Kampala blue wọ̀ wọ́n ṣe rédèrèdè kiri ojú gbà mí ti fún yín mo ti ń pariwo lórí ìkànnì Àkàlàmàgbò TV tipẹ́tipẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin gọ́vnà sílẹ̀ Yorùbá ó yẹ kí ẹ máa drag olóyè Ìgbòho fúnra yín ni pé ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ń bọ̀ lọ́la o ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ń bọ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ o ẹ jẹ́ kó tí wá sí state mi kẹ́ máa fún ní VIP treatment ọmọ ọkọ ọmọ tó yẹ kẹ́ máa fi yangàn ọmọ tó yẹ kí bàbá Tinubu máa gbé kiri kó máa fi yangàn pọ́n ọmọ mi lélẹ́yìí pé òun ló bá mi tú àwọn olólè àwọn iṣẹ́ òkọ́kú lọ nígbà ìgbà rìjíìmù nǹkan tó yẹ kí bàbá Tinubu máa ṣe nìyẹn pé nígbà táwọn di president of Nigeria akọni ọmọ òun ló lé àwọn bandit lọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ìtàn ò ní gbàgbé yín tẹ́ bá ṣerú àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ìtàn ò ní gbàgbé yín tẹ́ bá gbérú àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ yìí gbogbo eléyìí tẹ́ ń ṣe náà ṣé ìtàn fẹ́ gbàgbé yín ni bó bá ṣe rere bó bá ṣe bí ìtàn ò ní gbàgbé yín ìtàn ò lè never gbàgbé yín ẹ jẹ́ ká continue ò rí olóyè Ìgbòho wà ẹni tó ń wà nínú ẹni tó yẹ pé àgbàlá ẹ̀ ju palace àwọn ọba míì lọ wà ẹni tó wà lọ ń jòkó sí Germany afọm Germany lọ sí Benin Republic ẹ wá sọmọ onílé ọlọ́nà ẹ sọ di ẹgbẹ́sẹ̀lé àkáǹtì ẹ sọ di ẹni tó ní kankan ẹgbẹ́sẹ̀lé ẹ ti pààyàn sí lọ́rùn òkú àwọn tó ń pa ṣé Buhari gbé lọ sọ́run ni òkú Àdògán àti Àfà ṣé ẹgbẹ́ òkú wọn lọ sọ́run ni báwo lẹ ṣe ṣòkú wọn bàbá Tinubu ṣé ọmọ Yorùbá náà dẹ̀ ní lóòótọ́ tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ni ó yẹ ká rí owó ẹ jẹ́ ká rí payín nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àárín kankan nílẹ̀ Yorùbá we don't see anything ṣé ẹ tiẹ̀ rí tí security bá ti wà àlàáfíà wà nínú ìlú èèyàn ò ní máa rìn tìfúnra èèyàn ò ní máa rìn kó máa bejú wẹ̀yìn ò gbúdọ̀ gbọ́ hẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ igbó àyà olúwa alágara ni ẹ jẹ́ ká pariwo ìsíta this is the high time this is the time ta ní ìdí Ìgbòho àkókò ta ní ìdí Ìgbòho rèé o ẹ jẹ́ ká pariwo síta kí bàbá Tinubu kó gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ní kọ́mọ́nkóbó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ olóyè Ìgbòho enough is enough kí bàbá Tinubu kó gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ní kọ́mọ́nkóbó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ olóyè Ìgbòho we need to crowd out gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká pẹnu pọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ pa ẹnu yín pọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká pẹnu wa pọ̀ ká kígbe lóhùn rárá ẹ jẹ́ ká ké síta o lóhùn rárá kí bàbá wa Tinubu kàn rìlíìsì olóyè Ìgbòho torí dídákẹ́ wa ti ń pọ̀ jù ó ti pọ̀ jù lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wọ́n ní olóòótọ́ ìlú òun ní òṣìkà ìlú ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí ẹ ṣeun gan-an.